Hi, I'm Michael, and today I will review a Forex and a CFD broker called Libertex. In this video, you are going to find out about the regulation of the company, trading assets that you can trade here, trading platforms to which you gain access to, deposit and withdrawal method you can use, and how to open a free practice demo account with Libertex. So, without any further ado, let's get started. So, to visit Libertex, you can either use the link down below in the description or type in to your browser libertex.com. Once you are on the homepage, go to Company and About Us. So, Libertex has been operating since 1997, which means they are on the market for 23 years. They support access to 250 tradable assets, and they have 40 international awards. The company is regulated in Cyprus by the CySEC, and if you scroll down, you can see that Libertex is a trading platform used by Indication Investment Ltd. And this is a Cyprus-based company which is regulated and supervised by the CySEC. If you click here on license, you will be directed to CySEC, the official website of CySEC, and you can see that Indication Investment Ltd does operate a domain name called libertex.com. So this is legit. Now we will close this and go to the trading assets that Libertex offers. So the most interesting offer at Libertex is probably cryptocurrencies and Forex. So we will start with Forex. You have here major Forex pairs, minor Forex pairs, and exotic pairs. All of the Forex pairs that are featured are traded as CFDs. So you have here Euro USD, GBP USD, and also many minor and exotic pairs. In total, there are about 80 or so Forex CFD pairs, so the offer is pretty good. Now, if you go to cryptocurrencies, in this asset category, you are going to find out that they feature Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, and about 37 or so other cryptocurrencies. I believe they have one of the best cryptocurrency offer from CFD brokers, because not many brokers offer that many cryptocurrencies. Usually you see the competition to offer Bitcoin and about 4 or 5 altcoins, but that's about it. And Libertex offers about 40 cryptocurrencies, so this offer is pretty good. I will not go through all of the asset categories that they feature, but you can click on them and see if they feature the assets you want to trade. Now, I would like to talk about their platforms where you can trade. So I will click here in the top menu on platforms, and you can see that they have Libertex trading platform. This is their in-house built trading platform that you can access if you register through the website. They also feature MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5. If you click on MetaTrader 4, for instance, you can see the trading conditions that apply if you trade on the MT4 account. So we have here spreads starting from 0.0 pips and fee from 0.04 euro. And you can use hedging on this account. And if you open MT4 account, the account currency you can have as base currency can be Euro, GBP, Polish zloty, or Swiss franc. The minimum deposit is 100 euro, but after that you can deposit as low as 10 euro or 20 euro. It's up to you, but the initial deposit is 100 euro and then 10 euro and more. You can also go to MetaTrader 5 and read about the conditions for this account. They are pretty similar to MT4 account, but you can also find out, if you don't know about MetaTrader 5, basic information such as how to use this platform or what it really features regarding analytic and fundamental analysis. Now, to take a look at what deposit and withdrawal methods you can use if trading with Libertex, we'll go to pricing and payment methods. Now, the deposit methods are as follows: PayPal, Skrill, and all of these that you can see on the screen. The most popular, of course, are credit and debit cards, so we can use Visa and MasterCard or PayPal, etc., etc., etc. And regarding withdrawal methods, you can here use wire transfer, PayPal, Skrill, credit and debit cards, or Neteller. Regarding deposits, there is no deposit fee. You can see that all of this is free of charge, and most of the deposit methods are actually instant, apart from wire transfer that takes about 3 to 5 days. Regarding withdrawals, the fee is for wire transfer 0.5, minimum €2 and maximum €10. This withdrawal method takes about 3 to 5 days again, and the other withdrawal methods are either free or €1 or 1%. So to open a free practice gym account, click on register and fill in your name, email address. I will type in here just something random to show you this quickly, and click on register an account. And once you are here logged in, click on real account in the right menu and change it to demo account. Do you want to switch to demo account? Confirm yes. And now you can trade with 50,000 euro. You have here all the popular assets on the trading platform, or you can go to indices or other asset categories such as cryptocurrencies, commodities, etc., etc., etc. The trading platform is pretty intuitive, so you shouldn't have any troubles when using it. So that's it. That was my Libertex review. If you like this video, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking this video on the YouTube platform. Thank you and see you next time. Bye.